Oh yes, baby. Almost done with finals, and I cannot wait to get my life back. I mean, I'm so excited to be doing this right now with a whole crew. Say hi, Abdul. He's so weird. No one even invites him. He just shows up. Anyways, there are some things I need to address to your faces right now. You know, recently I was walking down the street and I passed this brown guy, I mean an uncle. He wasn't really my uncle, but when you're from a brown country, every other brown adult male is your uncle. So I'm passing this uncle and I put out my hand to say hi, like shake his hand. And this guy goes like, all over my face, and I just kind of had my hand there, dripping. Did you really just do that? My bad. No STD here. I'm negative for gonorrhea. You know, honestly, if someone's rude, you can get away with it with me. I don't care. If I'm never gonna see you again in my life, I don't care. But if you're gonna sneeze in someone's face, at least have the courtesy to cover your mouth or look away, or fine, sneeze in my face, that's cool, whatever. Give me a napkin, or say sorry. There are 100 things you can do after you sneeze in someone's face, but saying, oh, haha, is not one of them. So, there's an issue that needs to be addressed. There are some loud noises in our world, and I made a chart. I made a really good chart to illustrate my point. Take a look. So here we can clearly see the x-axis marked as loudness. The y-axis is not marked because I ran out of space. So the loudest thing in the world would be the space shuttle. The space shuttle has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fire rocket boosters, making it the loudest sound in the world. The second loudest thing in the world would be the blue whale giving birth. It is reported that when the blue whale gives birth, its screams can be heard miles away. Third on our list would be the obvious Indian Pakistani brown man sneezing. As you can see, there is no hand coverage action going on, so it's gonna go everywhere, like on my face. And his eyes are obviously popping out because he did not close his eyes. And if you don't close your eyes when you sneeze, your eyes fall out, pretty much. You know, so my main point is, we are one of the loudest creatures on Earth. Our sneezes, they're not just loud, they're deadly. You know, at first, when we're small and the sneezes start, we only really hurt ourselves. But as we get older, it gets worse. What if our sneezes could be harnessed and used for good?
Give me your money, homo! नहीं! अभी मैं तेरी शामत बुलाता हूँ. I got you, buddy. I got you. अब तो तेरी ऐसी की तैसी होने वाली है.
There's a famous saying I always refer to in times of distress. It's by Abraham Lincoln. It's right here. With great power comes great responsibility. Yeah, that was weird. Cut this part out, Abdul.